a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to, never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we?
When it comes to budget earbuds, the competition is big, and with so many options out there, the companies need to do quite a lot to keep being competitive. Blackview is known by their great quality budget phones, and looks like they are trying to get the budget earbuds market as well. Today, we're going to have a look at their last budget true wireless earbuds, the AirBuds 3. Welcome to the review of the Blackview AirBuds 3. Hello, Thiago here. Welcome. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews and unboxings like this one. If it's something that interests you, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing in the end of the video. So with this said, let's start the review of the AirBuds 3. The AirBuds 3 has been sent over to me by Blackview for review, and although they have sent it to me, I will provide my honest opinion so you can decide if they are the right pair for you. Let's start with the price. They are on sale at AliExpress with a price tag of $21.99, and if they are good, this is one amazing price. I will leave links on the video description, so check them out please. Moving on to the design field. The case is so small, it's made of a hard shiny white plastic, feels good quality and doesn't feel cheap at all. On the front of the case, we have the Blackview logo and one LED. The LED will indicate the battery left and will flash when on charge. At the bottom of the case, we have the Type-C USB charging port. The lid opening is very smooth and uses friction at the end of the stroke to hold the lid up in place, so you can access your earbuds. When you open the lid up, the earbuds will turn on and they will start connecting to your phone before you even take them out, so pretty cool here. When the lid is open, you will see the earbuds sitting down there, held by magnets, and you will see that the design is like the AirPods. The earbuds are the AirPod style, like I said before. They are made of the same material of the case and also in shiny white plastic, with the bottom of the stem being in a silver color like the AirPods. On the bottom, you have the microphone, going up the LED, and above that, the touch control surface. The battery life on the AirBuds 3 is okay, with the earbuds having 5 hours of playback time and up to 15 hours with the case. Nothing amazing here, but not bad for the price. The earbuds and the case will take about 2 hours to fully charge. The AirBuds 3 comes with a Bluetooth 5.1 chipset, with support for AAC and SBC audio codecs. Again, for the price, in my opinion, it's a very okay specs. The IP rating on these is IPX7 waterproof, so exercise and being caught under the rain is not a problem. The earbuds support a super seamless exterior mode, so the experience of being able to use either side of the earbuds is really nice. Sound quality. On this field, in my opinion, is where the AirBuds 3 shine, because the sound is really good for the type of earbuds. They have a very clean audio performance with a lot of emphasis on the quality, mids and highs. The bass performance on these earbuds is also very good. It's not the punchy type of bass kick, but emphasizes a lot the sub-bass. On a stand stage, they will provide you with a decent separation, so watching videos on this is quite pleasant. The call quality on the AirBuds 3 It's quite good, although a bit muffled sometimes, but for the price, it's really good. But please, be the judge on the next call quality test.
Right guys, so this is the sound of the microphone with the Blackview AirBuds 3. Again, I'm inside of the house, on my room. There's no noises in the background. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about the microphones of the Blackview AirBuds 3. We're going to go outside and do the test of the microphones outside as well. See you in a bit. Right guys, so this is the sound of the Blackview AirBuds 3 outside. It's a little bit windy, not that much. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about the sound. The sound looks okay? It doesn't look okay? It's muffled? It's not muffled? Let me know. And we're going to go back to the review inside of the house now. See you in a bit.
The latency performance on these earbuds is really good, and even on gaming I only notice a very tiny amount of delay, and that's very good for a Bluetooth 5.1 earbuds. Watching videos on YouTube and Netflix is very good. The controls on these are good, but like many other companies out there, you can't control the volume. So, tap twice on the earbuds and you will pause play music. Tap 3 times and it will skip tracks forward. Tap 2 times and it will go back. Long press and you will get your assistant. So, nice sound quality, okay battery life, a very small case. Are the AirBuds 3 good? Well, for the price and the sound quality, I think they're a very solid choice. And that's it guys, this was my review on the Blackview AirBuds 3. Thanks for watching the video. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, now is the right time. Stay safe, and I will see you on my next review. Bye!